Motorola Edge Plus smartphone runs on Android V10Q operating system. The phone is powered by octa-core 2.84 GHz, single-core, Cryo 585 plus 2.42 GHz, tri-core, Cryo 585 plus 1.8 GHz, quad-core, Cryo 585 processor. It runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset. It has 12 GB RAM and 256 GB internal storage. Motorola Edge Plus smartphone has a AMOLED display. The screen has a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels and 395 pixels per inch pixel density. On camera front, the buyers get a 20MP primary camera, and on the rear, there's an 48MP plus 8MP plus 5MP camera with features like digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus. It is backed by a 4000 mAh battery. Connectivity features in the smartphone include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, Volta, and more. Motorola Edge Plus price. Motorola Edge Plus smartphone price is likely to be $662. Motorola Edge Plus is rumored to be launched in the country on February 23, 2020, unofficial. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.